Here, what up? So, I'm gonna explain why I fucking hate Undefeated. So, how long ago was it when was it the first drop? Or second drop? Oh no, it was the second drop. The purple dunks or the snake skins and the white Air Forces. I ordered it on the 6th and today is the 18th. I waited 12 days for the fucking box, or the shoes I meant. Like the first time, bro, for the other Air Forces, I literally waited, let's say, 3.5 weeks, and I had to hassle them, bro. They have the worst customer service, and they suck at shipping, bro. Like I legit do not like Undefeated. Drone? The fuck you running drone for, nigga? It's the same type of box. Dunk versus AF1. I guess this is the 5 on it collab, right? Got a size 11. Box is kind of damaged a little bit. Fuckers. Let's see. Oh, these are kind of cool. Size 11 looks fucking enormous though, I'll tell you that. Let's put this camera back looking at me. It's a pretty dope shoe, can't lie. Materials aren't shit like the fucking other dunks. The snake skin shit, I thought it had like a texture, but it doesn't. Yellowed midsole. Inside says the same bullshit. Dunk versus AF1. Suede swoosh. Pretty nice. And then I guess they give you the option with cream laces. Oh, those laces look nice. And then white. Personally, if I was gonna wear these, I'd probably put the cream laces. I don't like blue that much. You should have put like a little bit more color blocking on this crap. Pretty dope though. They're pretty dope. Right now, I think the market dropped. It's like $200 or $220, or like I can't even speak right now. My pre-workout got me cracked out still. But right now this is a good price for this shoe. $200. I paid $135. I'm probably gonna hold them so I could get more profit out of it. But let's see the details of that. They're really good quality compared to all these shitty dunks coming out. And the leather's nice. Definitely recommend getting these if you're looking for a cheap good dunk of 2021. I don't know why it keeps getting blurry, but thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video, comment on what you think about these shoes, and don't forget to subscribe because that's like pretty much what gives me more hype to do these videos, because I low-key hate my voice and I hate looking at the camera. My camera just almost fell. But yeah, peace.